to the whisk. 100. Did I really just say that? Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I thought I would do a simple little peanut butter cookie recipe. Now this is a 4-ingredient recipe. You heard me, 4. No flour, just peanut butter and protein and lots of good stuff. So if you're new to my channel, I am an actor and content creator based in Toronto. I make fun little videos every single week, so feel free to hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first ingredient is peanut butter. Duh. And I'm basically just gonna add 1 cup of peanut butter. You can definitely use chunky peanut butter. I don't see why you couldn't. I prefer the smooth peanut butter. I just like the texture. The mouthfeel, as they say on the Food Network. Peanut butter is just one of those things that I have to have every day. It just makes me feel complete, you know? And what's cool about peanut butter now is that there's so many options. Like there's peanut-free peanut butter. There is protein peanut butter I saw. There's like low sugar. There's crunchy. You just got a lot of choice when it comes to peanut butter, and you don't have to sacrifice that yummy peanut butter taste. So I'm just, you know, I can't film one recipe without spilling things on the floor. Fantastic. And to that, I'm just gonna add 2/3 a cup of brown sugar. You can definitely use something else like coconut sugar. I've used that before and it turns out just as good. Oh my god, a little hack that I should share with you guys. If you have brown sugar and it's hard, because you've had it for a while, you can actually put it in a microwave safe bowl, pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute and kind of play around with it. And it'll actually come out soft and regain its moisture, and it's good to go, it's good to use. And next, 1 egg. Now here's a little hack, I think I may have mentioned this before, but it totally works. To crack an egg without any shells getting in, you just hit it on a flat surface, crack that bad boy in. My fridge just makes like so much noise. Okay, but if you do get a shell that's in the bowl for whatever reason, just take part of the other eggshell that you still have and scoop it out and the eggshell will come. It's like a magnet. Like these eggshells are like magnets. And now we're just gonna give that a little whisk. Stuck to the whisk. Stuck, guys, stuck. Just gonna take my handy dandy rubber spatula. We don't want dusty rubber spatula. Alright, so to that, I'm basically gonna add 2 scoops of protein powder. You can definitely use whatever protein powder you wish. Chocolate protein powder would be awesome. I'm just using Kaizen's vegan protein powder in vanilla. Now, I made the switch to vegan protein powder because I just found that whey just was not sitting well in my stomach anymore, especially when I would take it every single time I go to the gym, which is 3 to 4 times a week. So it just, no bueno, no bueno. So I'm just gonna add in 2 scoops of protein powder to that. And I've tried a few vegan protein powders. I honestly had to stop using it because I just didn't like the texture and the taste. But this protein powder, 100% recommend. 100. Did I really just say that? Now I'm just gonna mix that in. Just be very gentle when you mix it because the protein powder is so fluffy. You gotta be careful that it doesn't just like go up in your face. I'm not trying to get a protein powder facial today. So I preheated my oven and now I'm gonna scoop these little babies onto my baking sheet. And I'm just rolling them into little balls like so. Because I didn't add any like baking soda or baking powder, they're not really gonna puff up too much. So the other night I had Reese's cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. It was literally like heaven in my mouth. What's nice about this recipe is that it doesn't make too much. Sometimes I feel like when I make cookies, I have like 2 dozen left over, and then I'm stressing to find people to give it to because I'm not going to eat it all. So this is just a nice amount. 12 is just like a perfect amount. And I would also say these last for about a week at room temperature. So you got plenty of time to eat these puppies. For some of them, I'm actually gonna add some dark chocolate. So I guess for some of these, it's a 5-ingredient recipe, but the chocolate is optional. So you know what, this is still a 4-ingredient cookie recipe. So I'm just gonna press these chocolate chips in to half of these. This way, my chocolate fetish is satisfied, but I'm not getting too out of hand with it. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this tray into the oven at 350 for 11 minutes. Oh, can I just say that, like, the hardest part is waiting. I'm so impatient. Ugh, quiet on set. They're done. Okay, so now I'm just gonna gently transfer them onto my baking sheet and let them cool properly. And I just love the fact that there's protein powder in it, no flour. So, you know, I feel a little bit better about having a cookie, you know? Okay, just let those cool for 5 minutes and then time to taste them. Here we go. Look at this. So chewy, it's perfect. It's so thick. I like thick cookies. Got a lot of peanut butter in my mouth. I'll post the recipe to this below. If you guys have any questions or recommendations on fun little healthy recipes that you guys make of your own and you want to share that with me, feel free to leave a comment below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little video today. Feel free to give it a thumbs up if you did and hit that subscribe button. Anyway guys, I'm gonna snack away at my peanut butter protein cookies and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.